Hi, this is Corey with Gravwell, and in this video we're going to go from zero to Sysmon Hero in just a couple minutes. If you're not familiar with what Sysmon is, it's a fantastic utility put out by Microsoft that just adds some enhanced logging and catches all the really good juicy bits that you're going to want for any sort of cybersecurity or threat hunting use case within the system. We've got another video that goes over to how to install that, but for this video we're going to start right here in the Gravwell interface and go to the kit section where we've got this wonderful new kit, Windows Sysmon. And with our Gravwell kits, you can get started right out of the gates analyzing these common use cases. Within the kit, we have things like our Sysmon overview playbook, which just kind of describes what's in Sysmon, what the different events are, provides you some example searches. But then also within the kit, just like any official kit put out by Gravwell, we've got a good number of dashboards, some awesome queries in our query library, and some other goodies like enrichments and actionables and things. And so you can do things like click in here and explore our DNS activity by the executables that are issuing the request. So you can track down and threat hunt from a suspicious domain request right down to the executable and why it was ran. And just to illustrate that purpose, here within the kit, you can click around and see the dashboards and travel around and do things. But of course, just like everything else in Gravwell, this is driven by the underlying data and the search query system. So if you want to get down to the root cause analysis and dig in, that's always possible. And just to point that out, let's dig over here to our Windows system that's just in the lab. And let's just do something like ns lookup super evil bad guy.wow. And we're going to take a look and watch that come in on our Sysmon. And if I switch back over, and I can just run an example search and grep for super evil bad guy.wow in order to find that event as it has come into our system. And then of course, we've got the kit to help you with these things, but we always want that raw data in there so that people who are great with the query syntax can get ripping and turn that raw data into interesting search results for what they want. And so we can see the computer, the image, the parent image, the command line that was used, everything that went into that DNS request as it came in. And that's really going to help you out digging through and doing any sort of endpoint detection, response, management, all that's in there. Sysmon has all kinds of goodies within it. And now Gravwell customers can get right in and dig through Sysmon data easy peasy with the new Sysmon kit. We hope you enjoy it, and we're really excited about the new stuff we've got coming out.